we have a big announcement regarding our latest release on repurpose.io. With our new repurpose.io release, you can now directly publish to TikTok without any hassles, making your content creation process more efficient. Isn't that awesome? You can auto-publish your Reels and your YouTube Shorts directly to TikTok. You can create clips with your YouTube videos and audio podcast and publish them to TikTok with a single click. This means that you'll have more time in creating great content and engaging your audience, rather than worrying the technicalities of publishing. Now, there are changes to how the TikTok connection works. When you connect your TikTok account, you'll be given two options: to upload your video or publish it directly from the platform. Upload only is the previous way of uploading your TikTok video. Once uploaded, you must go to your TikTok app and manually publish the video. Now, with direct publish, repurpose.io will upload your video and automatically post it on TikTok without manual intervention. Now, here are a few things to remember. If you have an existing TikTok and want to do direct publishing, you must reconnect that connection and choose direct publish. Also, with direct publishing, you can change the video's captions from inside repurpose.io and not anymore from the TikTok app. This makes your workflow much more streamlined. Now, as a gentle reminder, you're only allowed to upload TikTok videos that are 60 seconds or less and a maximum of 20 videos per day. Now, one more thing. This feature works on any kind of TikTok account, including personal and business accounts. In addition to directly publishing on TikTok, we've also made some adjustments and fixes under the hood, and you can expect a lot more in the coming weeks and months. So there you have it, our big announcement here at repurpose.io. We are so excited to offer you this new feature, and we're confident how this will greatly improve your TikTok creation workflow. Let us know your thoughts about this new feature by putting your comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Props to the dev team of repurpose.io for doing another job well done. Awesome, guys. Thanks again for watching. This is Roy Garcia, and we'll see you again in the next update.